Hello, ninth standard. Okay. Hope we hope you all are working good with your second chapter. We had done with our page number 12 till our last video, the Treaty of Versailles and long-term effect, right? That is what we finished about our First World War. उससे पहले की सिचुएशन, देन फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर रनिंग की सिचुएशन एंड आफ्टर फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर की सिचुएशन. So now today we'll go with last page of this lesson, that is page number 13, the Russian Bolshevik Revolution. 1917 में कुछ रशिया में भी हुआ था. In this we are going to read about one day also, that is Bloody Sunday. Okay, and वो Bloody Sunday का जो क्वेश्चन होगा वो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन होगा. That is Bolshevik Revolution खुद एक बहुत अच्छा बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन होगा for your history. Okay, so see that you understand this topic well. The Russian Revolution 1917 is considered as an important event in world history. The Russians had been oppressed and suppressed by the Tsar of Russia. The Russian Tsar, who inherited the position, were all dictators and enjoyed uncontrolled rule over people. People did not have any right during this period. The Tsar were so cruel and pitiless on people that if anyone demanded for any rights, he was tortured, suppressed, and severely punished or condemned to be sent to the bone-chilling and dead cold of Siberia. So बहुत ही मतलब कड़ी से कड़ी सज़ा दी जाती थी लोगों को, whichever people were trying to raise their voice against Tsar. Okay, Tsar we can consider रशिया का राजा जिन्होंने जिनका स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस लोगों को फॉलो करने पड़ते थे, वेदर दे एग्री और डोंट एग्री. एंड उसके रूल इतने सख्त और इतने रूड होते थे कि इट वॉज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गो ऑन विथ हिज रूल, राइट. देन this uncontrolled and oppressive Tsardom became the reason for grief, poverty and suffering among people. The Russian farmers, laborers and peasants were not getting enough income. Despite working very hard, they became very poor. So income and giving salary was also decided by Tsar only. So वहाँ के लोगों को perfect amount में salary नहीं मिल रही थी, though they were working very hard, so they became poor and poor day by day. Under the leadership of Father Gapon, a large rally was taken out to the Tsar's residence. So एक residence, उसके घर की तरफ एक रैली निकाली गई जिसमें leadership was done by Gapon and काफ़ी लोग included थे उस रैली में. Winter Palace, that was on Sunday 22nd January 1905. These people were unarmed, while some had the Tsar's picture in hand with caption like "Long live the little white lord of Russian" written on it. Okay, so यही सब लिखा था, मतलब कज़ार के अगेंस्ट लोगों ने ये रैली निकाली थी. लोगों ने मतलब उनके अगेंस्ट नारे लगाए जाते थे. किसी के पास हथियार नहीं था, बट कुछ पोस्टर्स, कुछ बैनर्स थे लोगों के हाथों में जिसमें अलग अलग तरह के स्लोगन्स लिखे गए थे. देन द रशियन फार्मर्स, लेबरर्स एंड पीजेंट, then these people, okay, the Tsar's army opened fire on these innocent people, because of which thousands of innocent people died, and the snow in Petersburg, where the Tsar's palace was situated, turned red in blood. So उस रैली पर suddenly attack करवा दिया गया by Khazar, and then finally उस attack में thousands of people died, and when thousands of people died in that attack, so the place जहाँ पर उसका पैलेस था वो प्लेस में काफ़ी स्नोफॉल हुआ था जो कम्प्लीटली रेड कलर में कन्वर्ट हो गया. So this day is known as Bloody Sunday in history. So ये दिन के कज़ार के अगेंस्ट फादर गपोन के अंडर रैली निकाली गई, लीडर उनके लीडरशिप में रैली निकाली गई. Thousands of people took part, but suddenly Khazar gave order to shoot, and then so many people died in that, because of which the surrounding area of Khazar's palace completely became red. So that day was considered as Bloody Sunday. Around this time, a large number of Russians got provoked and became restless, as the weakness of the Khazardom had become obvious when a small nation like Japan had defeated the massive nation like Russia in the Russia-Japan war. तो कहीं ना कहीं उस वक्त कज़ार जो था वो इतना रूड, इतना अग्रेसिव था, बिकॉज समवेयर रशियंस वर लूजिंग पावर, क्योंकि रशिया का जो मिलिट्री फोर्स वी कैन टेल, या फिर जिस तरह से वॉर चल रहे थे जापान के सामने रशिया काफ़ी वीक पड़ चुका था. सो ओवरऑल भी रशिया वॉज considered as weak now after this situation. In order to pacify the angry Russians, an announcement to call for a Duma legislative assembly, which had not been called years, was made. Eventually, 4 such Dumas were called, but before it can take steps to satisfy the citizens, it had been called off. So, Dumas, like emergency meeting we can consider, क्योंकि लोग उस वक्त इतने thousands of people वो रैली में मर गए थे, तो people were not, completely people were against of Khazar. तो सिचुएशन इतनी वर्स्ट हो चुकी थी कि वो सिचुएशन को बैलेंस करने के लिए ड्यूमा लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली कॉल की गई. वी कैन टेल एमरजेंसी मीटिंग्स बुलाई गई, लेकिन मीटिंग्स में कोई डिसीजन ले पाए उससे पहले ही मीटिंग विथड्रॉ हो जाती. वी कैन टेल द मिनिस्टर्स विच वर टेकिंग पार्ट इन मीटिंग, they were only not might be agree on certain their decisions. Okay. On 8th March 1917, the oppressed workers of Petrograd called for a strike. The Tsar sent his troops to contain this event, but the army refused to shoot these people. As a result, the revolution began. So, एक वक्त फिर strike करने के लिए there were many people of Petrograd who opposed on 1917. Okay, तो कज़ार ने उनको भी डिप्रेस करने के लिए उनके सामने भी अपनी आर्मी भेजनी चाहिए, बट आर्मी वाला had said no to Khazar कि now they are not going to go and attack on these innocent people if they are even doing strike also. So यहाँ पर फिर पूरी पिक्चर चेंज हो गई. That is now Khazar was becoming alone as his military was also not giving support to him. Okay. So the finally Russian revolution, तो रशिया की जो सिचुएशन है वो चेंज होने लगी. रेवोल्यूशन मतलब चेंजेस आना. Okay. After the fall of the Khazardom, the power fell into the hand of Kerensky, leader of a Menshevik group minority. So Khazar का जब पावर रिड्यूस होने लगा तो फाइनली एक माइनॉरिटी पार्टी में से one person became a ruler over there. Except for Lenin, everyone in Russia was happy with the fall of Khazar. But Lenin believed in the importance of liberals as propagated by Karl Marx, while the Menshevik group believed in the importance of the middle class. As a result, Lenin instigated the Bolshevik against Menshevik. So Bolshevik मतलब, let us read it again. But Lenin believed the importance of laborer as propagated by Karl Marx, and Menshevik group believed importance of middle class. मतलब जो लेनिन था वो बिलीव करता था कि देयर मस्ट बी लेबरर, उनसे काम करवाया ही जाए. सो दैट वाज रिलेटेड टू बोल्शेविक. और मेंशेविक मतलब देयर वर people those who believe to give more importance to middle class, क्योंकि मिडिल क्लास को भी फैसिलिटीज़ वगैरह मिलनी चाहिए. ओके, सो ना कि उनसे हमेशा काम ही काम करवाया जाए, उनको फैसिलिटी भी मिलनी चाहिए. राइट. सो बोल्शेविक एंड मेंशेविक group believed in the importance of middle class, and Lenin instigated the Bolshevik against Menshevik and in November 1917 declared the final revolution and got the reins in his hand. This came to known as Socialist Bolshevik Revolution. So कहीं ना कहीं Lenin went against this minority leader. ओके, क्योंकि वो लोग मेंशेविक को ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस देना चाहते थे, लेकिन लेनिन बिकेम पावरफुल विद बोल्शेविक रेवोल्यूशन. दैट इज़ लेबरर्स को ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस मिले उसके अकॉर्डिंग, ना कि लोगों को बट वर्कर्स को. सो लेनिन वन दिस बैटल ऑफ रेवोल्यूशन एंड फाइनली दिस वॉज बोल्शेविक मूवमेंट. ओके. Thus, the 300 years old Tsardom came to an end, and for the first time, Russia was without a Tsar. So 300 years तक Tsar का ही सिस्टम चला आ रहा था, मतलब one individual king and he is only making rules and regulations. But now that thing was end. Now people were also started taking part in certain political decision making. Okay. So this was a Russian Bolshevik Revolution 1917. Okay, let us recall the situation. Actually Russian Bolshevik की situation 1905 से शुरू हो गई, जिस वक्त फादर गपोन की लीडरशिप में thousands of people took part in rally and went towards residence of Tsar. They were having banners in their hands and they were just trying to raise their voice against Khazars doing injustice with people, right? But Khazar suddenly gave order to shoot, and because of that fire thousands of people died on 22nd January 1905. It was a Sunday, right? So because of death of many people, the whole area, whole surrounding of palace became completely red. So that Sunday was considered as Bloody Sunday. लेकिन उसके बाद लोग अलग अलग एरियाज में लोग Tsar के अगेंस्ट खड़े होने लगे, and in the meanwhile Tsar was becoming weak because he had lost the battle with Japan. Okay, तो उसकी वजह से वो कमज़ोर पड़ रहा था, तो रशिया के लोगों ने उसका फ़ायदा उठाया, right? And then finally they were completely against with the decisions of Khazar. So in 1917, when they started with strike, that is when workers of Petrograd called off the strike. At that time, Khazar gave order to his army to shoot them, but suddenly army walas refused to follow this order, and then फाइनली Khazar को भी ऐसा लगा कि अब मेरा रूल ख़त्म, बिकॉज नो वन इज़ एग्री विथ मी, राइट? सो Khazar के बाद उस वक्त लोगों ने एक another person, that was person belonging to minority, that was who? That is Kerensky leader of Menshevik. Okay, like there were then after Khazar it became two parties. One was with Menshevik with Kerensky leader that was belonging to minority people. तो उसकी Menshevik पार्टी थी, and another was Lenin की Bolshevik पार्टी थी. But Menshevik and Bolshevik में से finally Bolshevik पार्टी जो थी that finally won and started ruling on Russia. Understood? So finally 300 years तक क़ज़ार का जो राज्य रहा वो खत्म हुआ. That was Russian Bolshevik Revolution. Now, efforts for world peace. हर एक कंट्री में शांति रहे उसके लिए काफ़ी एफर्ट्स किए गए. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट एफर्ट तो लीग ऑफ नेशन ही था. लीग ऑफ नेशन एक्चुअली एक ऐसी कमेटी बनाई गई जो फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर के बाद सेटअप किया गया. एंड according to that, like as many countries will take part in League of Nation, they have to follow rules and regulations of League of Nation. Okay, मतलब अलग अलग कंट्रीज़ के नेता सब साथ में बैठकर वर्ल्ड पीस, अगर किसी को किसी कंट्री के साथ कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो वो सॉर्ट आउट करना एंड लिविंग पीसफुली. सो इस तरह से लीग ऑफ नेशन सेटअप किया गया. बट उस वक्त कंट्रीज़ के दिलों में, दैट इज़ वन कंट्री टू अनदर कंट्री के दिलों में नफरत एंड बदले की भावना इतनी थी कि लीग ऑफ नेशन वॉज नॉट कंसीडर्ड अ सक्सेसफुल स्टेप, जिसकी वजह से सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर टुक प्लेस. लेट अस रीड व्हाट इट इज़ रिटन. The horror of World War explained the absolute necessity of world peace to the nations of the world, and for this a need for an international organization was felt. So it became necessary to think actively and immediately about world peace. The American President Woodrow Wilson had contributed substantially in the establishment of the League of Nations. The 14 points suggested by Woodrow Wilson were presented during the Paris peace process. On 10th January 1920, the League of Nations was formed. So वर्ल्ड वॉर का इतना भयानक रिजल्ट देखकर कंट्रीज़ को लगा कि एक ऐसी कमेटी होनी चाहिए जिसके साथ सब एग्री हो और वर्ल्ड में शांति बने रहे. तो पीस, पेरिस पीस प्रोसेस के बाद, दैट इज़ ट्रीटी ऑफ वर्साइलेस के बाद लीग ऑफ नेशन का सेटअप किया गया. बट एम्स ऑफ लीग ऑफ नेशन, एम क्या थी, लेकिन कंट्रीज उसके साथ सहमत नहीं थे, बट अच्छे मोटिव के साथ लीग ऑफ नेशन सेटअप किया गया था. लेट अस रीड व्हाट वाज एम्स. टू मेंटेन इंटरनेशनल पीस एंड सिक्योरिटी, every nation to respect the unity and integrity of other nations, to give up the policy of war, to develop international relation, to solve international disputes peacefully through negotiations and mediation. That is meetings करके by talk भी problems हल की जा सकती है. हर एक चीज़ का solution war नहीं होता. So war से अच्छा है if any country is having problem with any country, they can sit, they can hold a meeting and they can solve their disputes among one another. Okay. Then if any nation ignores the League of Nations or its mediation, it would be declared as a rebel nation. Rebel nation matlab not a part of League of Nations. Okay. The League of Nations established for world peace did not manage to keep a control over the imperialist policies of the superpowers. Imperialist policy, that is it looks ना, it कहते हैं ना आई एम द बेस्ट. तो अगर आई एम द बेस्ट बोलो, मैं किसी और को बेस्ट नहीं मानता, मैं खुद को ही बेस्ट मानूँ. ये रूल्स, ये मेंटलिटी हो चुकी थी कई डेवलप्ड नेशंस की. सो दे वर नॉट रेडी टू फॉलो रूल्स ऑफ लीग ऑफ नेशन. ओके. एंड इन 1939 द सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर बिगेन. सो फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर के बाद लीग ऑफ नेशन सेटअप किया, but then too people were leaders of different countries were not ready to listen a decision from other country. So finally League of Nations got failed and Second World War started in 1939. Here comes end to our lesson. I'll be giving you this page as PDF for which you have to write answers in your notebook on your own. Please go through all the videos, of this lesson related to First World War and Russian Bolshevik. Thank you.